Hey guys, Pablo here, and welcome to another brand new video in which we're going to take a look at a new project that's called Beldex or Beldex. The pronunciation is up to you; it's subjective, whether you want to, whichever way that you want to pronounce it. But in this video, we're going to get all the information about this solid and a genuine project, and we're going to talk about their services and the utility and the features that they will be providing to the people. It's a pretty exciting project, and I think that it's going to come in a really good use for a lot of people. So with this being said, anything I say in this video about this project is not going to be a financial or an investment advice. You just have to keep that in mind. And with this out of the way, we're going to check out their website. We're going to get straight into it. It may seem a little complicated, but we're not going to go way into details, because we're going to stay at the superficial level and as an introduction of this project. Like, we're going to talk about their features, how it works. So let's just go do that. So here I am at their official website. We're going to talk about their exchange listings and stuff and other such things too. But as an introduction, what exactly is this project? Is basically, this project is going to have a lot of different apps, a lot of different utilities that basically is concerned with your privacy, that is going to help you keep your information, keep your data private. If we talk about chat, then they're going to have a messenger app that will allow you end-to-end encrypted messaging, end-to-end encrypted chat, that there will be no third party that will be involved in the chat. It'll be you and the other person, no one between this, not even them, this project itself. So we're going to talk about all the other stuff that ensures the privacy of the users. This which they have written right here: private ecosystem for the future, building an ecosystem of privacy based blockchain products that anonymize your transactions. Not just like that messenger app is just one thing that you probably will understand easily, but this is also going to keep your transactions private, to keep them anonymous. It's going to keep your transactions anonymous, your messages, and your entirety of your online activities. So basically your online presence is basically going to be anonymous. It'll be private, it'll be secure. We're going to discuss about their apps that'll help us with all these things. There's this messenger app. There's going to be their own VPN too. So there will be a lot of stuff that we're going to get into it. And there's the option to buy Beldex too. So we're going to take a look at that too. Here's the about us. How does Beldex works? Beldex works on the crypto node protocol. It uses ring signatures, confidential transactions, and stealth addresses to obfuscate the transactions. Now they have a flowchart, basically not exactly a flowchart, but a diagram, a very 3D looking diagram of how the whole system works, all the things that they're mentioning here. The crypto node protocol, this is them illustrating how exactly it's going to work and how it's going to provide privacy and all those things. It says Beldex coin transactions are based on the improvisation to the crypto node protocol. One out of many proof ring CD is used to obfuscate the sender, while stealth addresses are used to protect the identity of the receiver. The Beldex ring CD uses 10 transactors, inputs and outputs. Thus, the original input and the output can be verified on the whole. However, the sender's input and output remains confidential. Ring signatures, on the other hand, lock the key image associated with the transaction. Thus, they allow for a transaction to be validated without the private key of the sender. Privacy coins employ a range of privacy-preserving techniques to anonymize transactions, but face difficulties with scalability. The Beldex coin employs novel methods such as POS, proof of stake, to resolve scalability issues and achieve truly private transactions. Now, there's different consensus mechanism that we have talked about in different videos. The most common one that we usually see is the proof of stake consensus mechanism. Then there's also proof of authority, and then there's also proof of work that some blockchain networks actually applies. So we're going to get like a little bit detail about that too. Masternodes are the foundation of the Beldex network. Masternodes is basically a governing hub that requires an initial collateral of tokens to operate, and basically the whole purpose is to validate the transactions. Now it says masternodes are the foundation of the Beldex network. Masternodes are full nodes that store the entire copy of the blockchain, validate every transaction, and help secure the network. The greater the number of masternodes, the stronger is the network. A great number of Beldex masternode holders are its community members. A great number of Beldex masternode holders are its community members. And if you want to, you can also become those members. All you have to do is basically stake on the Beldex masternodes. Now we're going to get more information about that, and this is one way that you're going to make a good reward while actually becoming part of the system that provides the privacy. While Beldex has also partnered with Evonode's shared masternode pools for passive staking, BDX, that's actually native token, is a low Satoshi masternode crypto and thus has a very low lock-in or entry threshold to set up a masternode. Now here are all the coin features. Your transactions are always masked with ring CD. Both the sender and receiver addresses as well as the amount of transactions is obfuscated. It's completely private. All of them are completely secure. They cannot be traced. It's untraceable. It's also unlinkable. Your transactions are end-to-end encrypted and anonymized. Thus, one or more transactions cannot be linked together. And then masternode, we already have discussed it, that they basically save an entire copy of the blockchain, and that's how they actually validate all the transactions. And then ecosystem, the Beldex private ecosystem comprises a suite of products and services that anonymize your online footprint. And what those products are, basically all these, currently they have mentioned 3 of them. One is BChat, which is going to be the messenger app, a decentralized messenger app that'll give you end-to-end encryption. And then there's going to be BelNet, which is going to be a VPN service that will allow you to privately browse the internet without, having your identity exposed to anyone else. And then there's going to be a Beldex browser, which is going to be their own native browser that'll have no ads or any other such problems. And you can also do private web browsing on there. So currently they have mentioned these 3 products of the Beldex that'll provide privacy in all areas. Now, when I talked about how you can become one of those community members, how you can become the Beldex masternode holders, is right here. So it says you can earn BDX rewards with masternode staking. Currently, the network is supported by masternode and miners. Once full proof of stake is implemented, the network will be 100% supported by masternodes. Masternode staking and proof of stake lets validators secure the network while incentivizing them. Anyone can stake BDX and become a validator by either setting up a dedicated masternode or staking on the shared Beldex masternode pools. While it is simple to set up a Beldex masternode, masternode pools make it even simpler by taking up the task of setting up a masternode for you. You only have to create an account and stake BDX to validate and receive rewards. So you don't have to go into the complication what this whole masternode stuff is. You can simply take it as staking. You're going to create an account, and then you're going to stake BDX, and then that's it. You're going to receive rewards. Masternodes are full nodes that store the entire copy of the blockchain. Thus, by staking on the Beldex masternodes, you will be an integral part of maintaining the security of the Beldex network. So by doing this, you actually become a part of the system. Now these are all their partners, and these are all their coin listings partners. So they're listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, CoinLore, CMC, Coinbase, CoinCodex, Nomics, CoinPaprika, CoinRanking, CryptoCompare. I have their excellent listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap open right here in front of me. You can take a look at the 24-hour trading volume, which is really solid. And there you can also see the fully diluted market cap too. So it's pretty, the project is really amazing. It's legit. I think that it offers something that is really required in crypto these days. And then there's also wallet. So there's Beldex wallet, desktop wallet, web wallet, and mobile wallet. So in wallet there's only Android option. Probably they are developing the iOS options. So you can clearly see how many new things are going to be like upcoming in the future, how you can make reward in this. We're going to take a look at the roadmap to like further see what they plan on doing in the future. But these are all the things that they have achieved. So web wallet v2 launched, Android wallet launched, Electron desktop wallet launched, BDX listed on Beldex exchange, WBDX launched on BAC, Beldex BAC bridge goes live, then their white paper update, website user interface UX update, Beldex blockchain v15 update on testnet, flash release on testnet, and then proof of stake release on testnet. So currently the proof of stake, because they're kind of like migrating or importing from the proof of work consensus mechanism. Currently they're like migrating or importing from the proof of work consensus mechanism to the proof of stake consensus mechanism, and that currently is on a testnet, not on a mainnet right now. It is on the testnet being tested, which is to ensure that nothing goes wrong in there. Now these are the things that will be coming like right ahead right now, like in the future, which is the BChat, their messenger app, and then POS hard fork, Beldex storage server, BelNet, improvised Android and iOS wallets. So the Android wallet is here, the iOS is like still, I think, probably developing. And then in the Q1 of the next year, there will be Ethereum bridge, dot bridge, privacy protocol, and then in Q2 of the next year, there will be browser, wallet extension, and then BelNet browser. So you can see all the information right here. The whole project is really solid. It's amazing. It helps you make a good reward. It offers you utilities that are required by almost everyone at this point. So all in all, in conclusion, in a nutshell, I think that this is a really genuine, a safe project. Like people are trusting them with their security, their privacy. So obviously they are secure. So having a secure project that helps you make a profit, I think that's pretty amazing. It's a really good opportunity. So with this being said, that's the entire information that I have for you guys in this amazing project. Disclaimer: trading digital assets involves significant risk and can result in the loss of your invested capital. You should ensure that you fully understand the risk involved and take into consideration your level of experience, investor objectives, and seek independent financial advice if necessary. It is up to you whether to invest or not. If there's something you don't know, please don't hesitate to ask me. So guys, I'm really happy to introduce you guys to this wonderful project. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.